This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called SkipTheAdz. SkipTheAdz is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension mention that by installing it, you will be able to skip all the ads while you watch some videos online. And probably the description of this extension is pretty good, but the developers don't mention that this extension actually shows its own advertisements, not related to the sites that you visit. So it promises to help you skip the ads, but instead, after you install it, it starts showing its own advertisements. And of course, that's a very annoying experience to see these ads because they distract people. They sometimes prevent people from properly reading other decent content. And these ads may also point them to many other dangerous pages on the web. So if this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, we strongly recommend you to remove it immediately. This is how you can do it. Well, the principle is absolutely simple. You simply need to access some settings of Google Chrome and get rid of this extension once you find it. So let's wait until it gets installed. And now let's go ahead and uninstall the extension. So access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So here we find this extension called SkipTheAdz. Disable the extension and remove the extension. Once you do that, the problem should be fixed, but we also recommend researching your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application and start researching and investigating your computer in order to detect and delete other threats which could possibly still remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.